Tamil Nadu government is facing heavy criticism after a so-called motivational speaker addressed government school students on Teachers' Day. And the message, this person, by the way, is called Mahavishnu. He spoke about rebirth, he spoke about karma and sins, essentially blaming children, saying that, you're to blame for your life struggles because of what you did in your past life. And this triggered a huge controversy. It led to a showdown even then, as one of the teachers, a visually impaired teacher, took offense to what he said, saying you can't say these things about previous birth and being punished for that in school. That's simply not allowed. Let's play out for you that controversial video and tell you how the government has responded.
Mahavishnu, a motivational speaker, was invited to deliver a talk at a government school in Chennai's Mylapore. His speech took a controversial turn as he blamed children for life struggles. Not just that, his speech included comments on past life sins and karma.
என்ன செஞ்சீங்களோ அதை பொறுத்து உங்களுக்கு இந்த பிறவி கொடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. இந்த பிறவியிலும் சார் உங்களோட பெயர் தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாமா? என்ன பேசணும்? ஒரு நிமிஷம். Let me deal this. I am not angry. I am asking very clearly. See, I am very stable and asking. என்ன பேசணும் நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. மறுபிறவியை பத்தி வேற யார் சொல்லி கொடுப்பா? மறுபிறவியை பத்தி வேற யார் சொல்லி கொடுப்பா? ஆன்மீகம்னா என்ன? ஆன்மீகம்னா என்ன? What is your problem? என்ன பேசணும்? ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
School staff Shankar, who is visually impaired, can be seen publicly objecting to Mahavishnu's remarks during the session. His bold stance earned him praise from the Tamil Nadu government.
Based on the video evidence, how he, as you said, he entered into my premises, and he argued with my teacher, and you know how harsh he is. So definitely based on that video evidence, we will definitely take action on it.
Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, without directly mentioning the viral video of Mahavishnu's speech, stressed the importance of scientific thinking. Stalin said he has ordered a formulation of guidelines for school programs to ensure that students get exposure to progressive ideas. The video of Mahavishnu's speech ignited a political storm. The AIADMK seized the movement, accusing the ruling DMK of pushing the BJP's ideological agenda in the state.
The spiritual classes recently held in the schools clearly shows the secret pact and alliance between DMK and BJP. Now DMK has become the torch bearer of BJP's agenda of promoting religious beliefs and religious polarization.
The government is very proactive. It listens to the voice of the common man. Our Chief Minister, who is in Chicago on a spree of inviting investments to the state of Tamil Nadu, has immediately reacted to this issue and said that scientific temper should be imparted, and the government will not allow regressive beliefs to seep into the school education system.
This controversy comes against the backdrop of tensions between the state government and Governor R.N. Ravi, who has been openly critical of Tamil Nadu's education system. The governor had recently raised concerns about poor student performance in maths and reading, as well as the rise of drug distribution in schools. In response, Tamil Nadu Minister Udayanidhi Stalin defended the state's education system, rejecting the governor's remarks as an unwarranted insult to teachers and students. With Shilpa Nair in Chennai, Bureau Report, India Today.